How can you use character AI? In this video, we'll dive into that and more. Welcome to TechTuned, your AI-focused YouTube channel. Here you'll find the latest topics and tutorials related to the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Now, let's get started. What is character AI? Character AI has gained some significant attention in the world of artificial intelligence and technology, and for good reason. Character AI is an AI-powered chatbot service that can generate human-like text responses and participate in contextual conversation. It is a neural language model that uses machine learning algorithms to understand and respond to user input. Character AI is designed to create a more immersive and engaging chat experience by allowing users to interact with various personalities, including historical figures, celebrities, and other characters created by the community. The service is available as a web application and mobile app for iOS and Android devices. The service is free, with a paid membership offering additional perks and benefits such as priority access to new features and faster response times. Getting started. When using character AI, you can create characters with unique personalities and have meaningful conversations with them. First, it's important to visit the Character AI website and familiarize yourself with the platform's features. As a beginner, it's essential to understand the nature of this technology and the potential applications it offers. This will help you make the most of its capabilities. Next, you can choose your character from a pre-built selection of approximately 32,000 characters, or create your own. This is an important step, as it determines the personality traits, background, and attributes of your AI companion. Take your time and think carefully about the character you want to interact with, as this will influence the conversations you have. When engaging in a conversation with your character, remember to use clear and concise language. The AI character will respond based on the context that your prompts provide. If you are interested in a more personalized experience, consider signing up for an account, which allows you to save your characters, customize their traits, and experiment with different scenarios. Lastly, always be mindful of the limitations of AI. While character AI does its best to provide natural, engaging responses, it may occasionally produce output that does not quite make sense or meet your expectations. Don't hesitate to provide feedback when you encounter issues, as this helps improve the platform and ensures a better experience for all users. How can you create your own characters? The characters you create can be fictional or based on real people, dead or alive. For detailed information, you can refer to the Character Book, which is a comprehensive guide on character creation and is available on the platform. With Quick Mode, you can create interesting characters quickly. Advanced Mode offers more powerful tools if you want to create the perfect character. To create your own characters, follow these steps. For quick character creation, click the Create button on the Character.ai homepage and select Create a Character. Enter the name and basic details for your character, such as its name, greeting, visibility, and avatar. The greeting is what the character uses to introduce itself at the start of any chat. Visibility controls who can talk to your character. This information is enough for quick creation. Click on Edit Details if you want to shape your character with more information and attributes. You can enter a short description and a long description. In the Definition section, you can enter example chats, dialogue, and information to define your character. Once you've created a character, you can start chatting with them. Type your responses in the chat box, and the character will respond based on the neural language model's training. You can organize a group chat with multiple characters, allowing them to talk to each other and you simultaneously. This feature, known as Rooms, provides different perspectives and more engaging conversations. It is a fun and creative way to chat with friends, family, or even strangers. In the chat, you can use the microphone button for speech-to-text generation. This feature allows you to speak aloud and your words will be sent over the chat. Character training. The character responses are determined by two factors: the character's attributes and your feedback. You can give feedback in various ways. You can swipe the last response left or right to see some alternate choices or rate the responses. Responses can be rated from 1 to 4 stars, with 1 star being the worst and 4 being the best. You can also click on the Tell Us More button to submit detailed feedback about your AI's response. Your feedback contributes to improving the responses. The more feedback you give, the more the AI character will improve. Applications. Your imagination is the only thing that limits the uses of this technology. Here are some potential applications to give you some food for thought. Learning a new language by interacting with language tutor chatbots. Chatting with historical figures to enhance the learning experience. Preparing for job interviews by chatting with a virtual interviewer. Write a novel or a story with the help of AI chatbots. Ethical and safety measures. Character AI takes several ethical and safety measures to protect the platform and its users. It is completely transparent about the fictional nature of its character, which discourages reliance on the service for factual information and helps to manage user expectations. Robust filters prevent NSFW content. Pornographic content is against the AI's terms of service and will never be supported. Public character or community posts are reviewed and moderated to ensure interactions remain positive and the possibility of disseminating harmful content is minimized. Collected user data is only used to enhance the service and is not shared with third parties. And there you have it. Character AI, its features, and how you can use it to create characters and engaging conversations, potential applications, and ethical and safety measures. Don't forget to leave your thoughts, questions, and feedback in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video and found it useful, please like it and subscribe to our channel so you never miss any videos from us. Thank you for watching.